Slack is a powerful collaboration and communication platform designed to help teams and organizations streamline their workflows and boost productivity. It's like a digital workspace where team members can communicate, share files, and integrate various tools, all in one place. Slack offers several features that make it incredibly versatile, such as channels, direct messaging, file sharing, integrations, and customizable notifications, all of which we will explore in more detail with the context of how it could help you as a professional quantity surveyor. Improved communication. Using project channels, you can create dedicated channels for different projects, ensuring all relevant communications are centralized and easily accessible. This is crucial for maintaining organized and efficient workflows and improving team collaboration with all parties. Efficient information management. With Slack, you can quickly share and access important documents, drawings, contracts, and reports. This makes it easier to keep all project information in one place. The powerful search feature allows you to find past communications and documents easily, saving time and reducing frustrations when you need to reference something. Integration with tools. Slack integrates with project management tools like Trello, Asana, or Microsoft Project, helping you keep track of tasks and deadlines with increased efficiency. It can connect with Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive for seamless file management, ensuring all your documents are accessible and organized. Real-time updates. Receive real-time updates on project changes, site issues, or important decisions. This ensures you are always informed and can act promptly, keeping the project on track. Remote work. Slack enables remote work and collaboration, which is particularly useful for site visits or when working from different locations. You can stay connected with your team no matter where you are. So what are some of the real use cases for QSs? Cost management. Coordinate with the finance team and project managers on cost estimations, budget tracking, and expense approvals. Slack is a very helpful tool in ensuring everyone is aligned and informed. Tender documentation. Collaborate on preparing and reviewing tender documents. Dedicated channels for this purpose keep discussions and revisions organized. Site coordination. Communicate with site managers and contractors to resolve issues, track progress, and ensure compliance for specifications. Slack's real-time updates and mobile accessibility are particularly useful for this. Client communication. Maintain transparent and efficient communication channels with clients, updating them on project status and addressing queries promptly. This helps in building trust and ensuring client satisfaction. By integrating Slack into your workflow, you can streamline processes, improve information accessibility, and stay connected with your team and stakeholders, leading to more successful project outcomes. Whether you're managing costs, coordinating with the site, or communicating with clients, Slack could make your job easier and more efficient. It is important to note that these tools and software are only as effective as the quality of the information inputted. Full team participation and compliance are essential to maximize their benefits. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.